Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So recently I took up a trade in a stock called Gufic Bio. I invested around 10 lakhs in this trade and I got a ROI around 11.59%. So that translates into 1.15 lakhs in profits. So initially the trade did not go as per my plan. So I had to adjust the stop loss. That helped me get this profit. So let me just explain you in detail about where I entered, where I had to put my stop loss, everything. Please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you so much. Okay friends, so this is the Gufic Bio chart in daily time frame. You can see that. Okay, let me just switch this into weekly. You can see that there has been a good trend, correct, and there has been some consolidation, and I found this pattern. Let's skip it. Okay, this one, all right, and at the bottom I was able to see this, and this is exactly where I entered. Okay, this place 205 206 is where I entered, waiting for a breakout to happen. But what happened was the next day there was kind of a retraced. So I thought, okay, this is going to retrace for a couple of days and probably then it may just go up. That was my reasoning. But no, the market condition was not good enough, right? For the past 1.5 weeks or 2 weeks, it has been falling a lot. Fortunately, the Gufic Bio did not fall as much as the other stocks. It did test this area, which is 177. Okay. Initially, what I was thinking that, okay, let me just put my stop loss here, and if it is a retrace, and I'll just wait for it to go up. But then again, what happened was it did break this area, and normally I keep two stop losses. One is this or below the channel. Okay, so this time I had to take this chance because it was not very huge red candle, right? Let me just delete everything. So it was not very huge candle. For example, yeah, if it was something like this, I would have closed. If it is something like this, I would have closed. But the candles were pretty small. I wouldn't say small, but it's a kind of a middle. And yeah, I thought I would just wait for the bottom line to test. And what happened was the next day, on I think 29th November, this area got broken in the first hour. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, it got broken, but I did not close for a reason, because I keep stop loss based on close. So for example, if Gufic Bio had closed very strongly at this point, I would have exited without thinking twice. Okay, I would have definitely exited, but there was some buying pressure right in the first 1 hour, and immediately I put my stop loss here. So if this is hit, and then I will definitely exit it. Okay, so that was my reasoning, and yeah, this is what has happened after that. Initially it went up and then retrace and then again gap up and then again test it, and then it fell again and then tried to test it again, and then finally there was a very good breakout. And yesterday I closed this trade around 228 at this point. The main reason I closed it is because, let me show you. So this area, right? So there is 1 2 3 times it has tested, and also fourth time it has taken a resistance. So what can probably happen is something like this, and then it may test again, or it can just come down and then again test again, fight with the bears, and then it may give a breakout. So I'm not going to take that risk. I'm not going to wait much. I have already made around 11.59%, which is more than enough. I deployed 10 lakhs and I have made around 1,15,000, right? So this is more than enough for me. So the learning from this video is, sometimes it does not go as per the plan. And also I want you to be clear that I was not holding in a hope. Okay, there are two different things. That are two key difference, right? So I did not hold it just because of some hope or thinking that it would go up. I had a proper reason. I told you, right? There were several reasons, and that is why I was holding on to this trade. Just to rephrase it again, if it was closing very strongly in this particular trade, this is a clear stop loss hit, and I would have closed it. Okay, yeah, the stop loss is pretty huge given the reward. Yes, it is just 1:1 probably, but I had no choice, because when you trade small cap or mid cap stocks, your stop loss should be little wide. In large cap it is quite different. In small cap, your stop loss should be wide, because if you can just keep 5% or 6%, your accuracy is going to be very less. Okay, so I was prepared for that, because I did not allocate like 30 lakhs or 40 lakhs. I invested only around 10 lakhs, so I was okay with this kind of losses, and it did go as per the plan after finally. Okay, so yeah, that would be all. This was a pretty neat trade, and I also closed it yesterday. So, and in case if you guys are asking if I posted this in our community, yes I did, and people also made money. So if you want to be a part of our community and learn price action videos, you can enroll. I'll place you the link below. Thank you so much for watching this video with patience, and see you soon again.